This car is beautiful. Engine compartment, underneath, undercarriage, bottom side of the hood, you name it, it is gorgeous. Hello and good evening, everyone. Adam here, Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This evening we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1970 Plymouth Duster. This car is absolutely stunning. It is the correct code EK2 Vitamin C Orange, 340 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and this car has been completely rotisserie restored. The gentleman that owned this car was very meticulous. This car is beautiful. Engine compartment, underneath, undercarriage, bottom side of the hood, you name it, it is gorgeous. You can tell by the way the engine compartment looks, probably how the rest of the car is. This thing is stunning. The paint, the interior, the body, the undercarriage, the engine bay. Nice little billboard he had made here for the car. Tells all about the history of the Duster. 4-speed transmission, Hurst shifter. Interior's gorgeous. Seats have been all redone. Sail panels, package tray, headliner, visors, rear view mirror, jams. It's awesome when you can buy them like this. When you can buy these cars that look this good. Trunk is in beautiful shape. Car cover comes with it. Spare tire, jack instructions. Let's check out the quality of even the jams on this car. Just stunning example. This car's $59,900. There may be cheaper ones out there, but I don't think there's too many better ones out there. So if you want to buy one of the best, step on up, set your satchel down, and grab a hold, because this is a great car. Tack dash. Blower motor. Wipers. I think sounds great too. Shut the hood. We're gonna go for a drive before it gets too dark. panel fitment, door gaps. We'll go for a drive and I'll show you that outside. Oil pressure, gas gauge, charging gauge, fuel gauge, they all work. Tach works, speedometer works. The only thing I see it didn't work is maybe the radio. Thought maybe it had to warm up a little bit, but I thought I heard it making noise. Here we go. There we go. I always forget my windshield mount when I was sitting on my desk. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but dash lights all work, speedometer works. Only a few things I see on the car. I know that tach doesn't read 100% accurate. It says we're turning 5,500 RPMs, so we know that isn't right. The gentleman who owned this car passed away. Otherwise, it probably would have never been for sale. I know it's plenty dark out here for you, but you can see though, just check out the lines on this car. The gentleman passed away, and a friend of mine actually told me about the car. And he sent me like 15 or 20 pictures of it, and I just said I'll take it. And I was very pleased when the car got delivered, as you will be pleased when it gets delivered to your place, because this beautiful vitamin C orange car is spectacular. And I can tell you the heater works like a mofo. And yes, I didn't have the clutch down all the way. Even the reverse indicator light works. Yeah, see, you gotta be careful. That was a cop. 65, 70 mile an hour right down the highway. Drives great. I don't even have my hands on the wheel right now. My hand's right here. I'm not the one holding the phone, so. What an awesome car. Beautiful, beautiful 1970 Plymouth Duster. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this beautiful Duster. Thanks for watching my videos. This is the last one for the day, so I'll talk to y'all on Tuesday. Thanks for watching, everyone.